Hi everyone, happy Tip Time Thursday, Merry Christmas. Today I have some tips on organizing, putting away your Christmas tree. I know, I'm early. Some of you just put your Christmas tree up and I'm already talking about taking mine down. But here are 2 tips I have to help you organize your Christmas decorations. I just went to Marshall's the other day and I got this Christmas tree bag for $10, and it's going to replace one that was old that I had. And my artificial Christmas tree comes apart and I wrap it up real good and put it in this bag, and it gets stored in my garage for next year. Now they have a lot of fancy Christmas tree holder storage items available around. I've seen one with wheels for $40, but this year I didn't have that much money, so $10 at Marshall's. It's a bag. It's going to hold my tree nice and safe till next year. And also, I have purchased this item for my breakable Christmas tree ornaments. I think I got it on Amazon. It's really to store cups and saucers china, but I put my breakable Christmas ornaments in it, and it works really well. So Merry Christmas. Have fun taking your tree down, and I'll see you next time.